What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you guys how to connect Notion with your Claude. So it's going to be a very simple and to the point process. Make sure you follow the video till the end to get to know about it. So first thing first is that you have to log in with your official account on the desktop application of Claude. I've also provided the link in the description. Make sure you guys check that out. Once you are on the application, just go to the settings over here, or you guys can always go to the plus icon for the connectors. So the connectors are also available in the settings. So just go to the connectors, then go to add connector option. In the add connector option, once you click on it, it will take you to this page. Here you will see the Notion. I have already integrated it with my Claude. You guys can do it too. In order to do that, you just have to go back, search Notion, and the Notion will show over here. So once the Notion just pop up, make sure you click on it. There will be an install and connect option. Once prompted, just connect your account with it, and then you will be able to use it with your Claude. I hope you find this video helpful. See you in the next one.